I'd say any organisation starting to think seriously about data and data science, the most important thing is not to dive into the actual tool or technology too quickly. Good architecture starts with a pencil and paper. Good code starts with sitting there thinking hard. Don't just assume you're going to pick up a tool and it will do the job. Make sure that you've thought about what the job is, and then that tool will do the job for you.
These things are tools, they solve problems. You know, AI, ChatGPT, they're there to do a job. So understand what that job is. Try not to get too much caught up in the hype of the possibilities in 10, 15, 50 years, and think about how can this solve my problems now.
Understand the business you work in, and understand what you're trying to achieve. I often get people get excited, start running off on data projects, and I'm like, but what is it actually achieving? Like, what is your output of this, and who's going to benefit? And always think about the customer when you're doing these things, and not get blindsided by the technology.
Getting good basic fundamental techniques and perhaps standardising some of the things they're doing with data, making sure they've got clean data that's well processed and is accessible for not just the data team but other people across the organisation to use. Automating some of the reporting processes that people do. None of it is cool or sexy at this point, but it is going to add the most value the most quickly.
The main advice that we would give to a company who are interested in deploying data science tools and technologies is not to start with a tool and technology. Instead, start with a business question or a business opportunity, and then work out what's the right tool or technology in order to address that particular need. We often find organisations have a technology in mind and it's completely inappropriate, but what we can do is advise them to start to think more about what they're really trying to do, and then we can help them to choose the right technology for whatever it is will really make a difference to that organisation.